All right, let's move on to day 9. So here we will also see a lot of different shapes. Which triangle is Twin High's twin brother? See the picture. So we need to see the features of the different triangles here. Let's first see Twin High. What's special about it? Everyone can tell me. What's special about it? We have the same side here, right? So that will be the feature we need to check for all the triangles here. Okay, what do you think? Do you think it is 1? Not at all. How about 6? No, they don't have the same two sides here, right? And 3? No. 2, 4? No. And only 5 is a correct answer. Okay, so they have the same two sides, which is easy to see. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one. So for this question, we just need to observe the triangle much carefully. All right, so here, oopsie. Which step was used to get the picture shown below to the right? Okay, here is actually below. All right, so now everyone think about it. What's special about it? If it is a stem here, we need to have the reflection, right? The mirror reflection. So that means we need to see everything is actually just the reflection. So we need to imagine that. We can actually use a symmetrical line here. Then how does the real picture look like? Look here. It is a mirror reflection, right? The symmetrical. Symmetrical here like this. Okay, then let's see. How does the picture look like? It should be like what? We're gonna have the window first and then the door, right? So it will look like this. And we have the room going this way. All right. So now everyone, are you able to find out which one is a correct one? And we're gonna have a tower like this, right? I'm not good at drawing, but I believe you all can draw better than me, right? Okay. Hold on. We're gonna have the 3 windows like this. Everyone, do you think A is correct? Let's see. Well. Oh, we're gonna have the room first, right? But here it has a tower first. No. How about B? It seems like correct, but it has the door first and the window next. But what is the correct one? We're gonna have the window close to the edge and then the door, right? No. How about C? The tower is moving. No. How about D? No. And how about E? Everything is exactly the same, right? Okay, so that's how we're gonna find the correct one, all right? You just need to use a symmetrical line to find out the reflection. So now let's move on to the next one. All right, the last one, still you need to use your imagination and to see how we can put all the figures here. Which pattern can we make using all 5 cards given below, right? So we have the biggest green square and the 2 pink squares and then 2 triangles. So let's look at each of the option here. For A, we have the big green square and 2 pink one. And then we have a same blue triangle. So is it possible to have another triangle here? Yes, if we lay them up, right? So maybe it is correct, but do I know? I'm not sure, so I need to check all the other options. How about B? Do you think B is correct? Can I have 4 blue triangles? No. How about C? Can I have a longer straight stripe for the pink one? No. How about D? Can I have something like this? So how can we have this pink triangle? I must have what? I must have 1 square and the green one to cover. But if you look at this one and this one, I have another 2 pink square pieces, right? So we only have 2 pink square pieces, so it is impossible. How about E? Can I have such a triangle for the pink one? No way, right? So which one is correct? only A is correct. Even though we only have one blue triangle, it is actually two stacking up. Okay, so that's all for today's question. It seems easy, but actually it needs you a lot of spatial imagination. So if you want to practice more about how to imagine things and how to organize things like in your virtual world, please remember, sign up for our 5-pointer classes and then try to see more questions like this. So you will be super able about the spatial imagination.